Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you PC enthusiasts out there. We're diving into a review of the Gigabyte A520i AC motherboard, which is being touted as the best motherboard for the Ryzen 2700x processor. Let's get right into it. The Gigabyte A520i AC is a mini ITX motherboard designed for AMD processors, specifically compatible with the Ryzen 2700X. This motherboard has gained a lot of attention, and for good reason. Now, let's talk about the key features that make the Gigabyte A520i AC stand out. This motherboard is tailor-made for the AMD Ryzen 2700X processor, making it a perfect match for those who want to build a powerful AMD-based system. Its compact size means it's ideal for small form-factor builds. Whether you're building a gaming rig or a compact workstation, this motherboard fits the bill. This feature ensures stable power delivery to your CPU, which is crucial for performance and reliability. It comes with a PCIe 3.0x16 slot, allowing you to use high-performance graphics cards for gaming or content creation. Lightning-fast storage options are essential, and this motherboard delivers with an NVMe M.2 slot. Enjoy fast wireless connectivity and Bluetooth support for all your peripherals. Multiple display options mean you can set up a versatile workstation or enjoy gaming on multiple monitors. The Gigabyte A520i AC is known for its excellent performance and reliability. With its optimized VRM heatsink and robust power delivery, it ensures your Ryzen 2700X runs smoothly under heavy loads. Now, a crucial point to mention is the BIOS update. When you're using this motherboard with a Ryzen 2700X, make sure to check for BIOS updates. Manufacturers often release updates to improve compatibility and performance. So, there you have it, folks, a closer look at the Gigabyte A520i AC motherboard, the best choice for pairing with your Ryzen 2700X processor. Whether you're into gaming, content creation, or any demanding tasks, this motherboard has you covered. If you found this review helpful and informative, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.